Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to juice. I bought this nice Breville juicer. It's fantastic. And we're going to juice. So I have most of the vegetables cut up and fruits. And as I put them in, I'll tell you, how much I used of something. So I'm going to get started because I've already washed everything. I want to get rid of the seeds from the apple. So I just don't want the seeds in there. So I just want to take care. And I didn't want to cut the apple up and then have it turn brown. So cutting it up right now. And if you notice, I am using 1 Granny Smith and I'm using 2 Fuji apples. I'm using Fuji because they are sweeter. And I would not advise using Macintosh because they're very chalky consistent, and that's how this will be. So I've been doing this, it's really good. So this is called Carrot Beet Medley. That's right, Shelly's way. And so I've found, I get my little sugar fits. If I drink some of this fresh squeezed juice, it fills me up. It's great for the body, and I will not be taking all that sugar that I'm not supposed to be taking with other stuff. So we'll get started. This is going to be quick. Just make sure it's on. So again, we have 2 Fuji apples. Okay. I love how fast this goes. And I don't have to cut the fruit up too much. I can go high or low. So I'm going to do all my apples. And I have 1 Granny Smith apple. I also have 1 lime. I have peeled it, taken the skin off. So that's going to go in. I want to have nice taste there. Who would believe that the apple juice would be so nice and green? It's really crisp if you just want to do apples. I have about a 2-piece ginger, fresh ginger. Okay, oh, I have another piece of apple here. I have a half of a large beet, peeled. That's where my beet comes in. I have 1 mango, peeled. Try to make sure the mango isn't too ripe, okay? And in order to get this sweet, I have 1 pineapple, peeled, cored, and ready to go. Yeah, too big. Okay. Okay, last ingredient, carrots. However, I want to say that try to find the big carrots, really big. So I have 3 of these big carrots because this is going to give me a lot of the juice. Okay, I'm going to stop here because I'm going to overflow. So I have a strainer just to make sure. And I just want to get some of the liquid out so that it won't overflow. That happens to me all the time, so I'm aware of it. All right, let's finish up with our carrots. That's it. So that is the last. Okay, and so I'm just going to continue to strain. Beautiful color. Really nice. Very nice. So that is pretty simple, easy. And I just want to help it to hurry up and go through the strainer. So guys, I have started Shelly's Talk. How positive are you? It's a new series. I'm on TikTok under Shelly's Talk, and I'm also on TikTok under Shelly's Cuisine. It's where I tell you positive stories, jokes, and just things that have happened to me in my life in a positive spin. Words of wisdom. And so, Twisters, I need you to subscribe to Shelly's Talk on Shelly's Cuisine on TikTok. Okay. It's time to taste. Beautiful color. You still see the carrot. You have a little bit of the beets. If you notice, I didn't put too much beets because I don't want it red. I want carrot juice. So it's a carrot beet medley, and the pineapple is going to help it to be sweet. The apples also will help, and the lime just gives a little bit of a tang. This is delicious. Thank you for making carrot beet medley with Shelly's Cuisine. Please tune in to find out what we will twist next. And subscribe, hit the subscribe button